Hi guys, I just wanted to do a quick video, to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, and also to encourage you to share and like and comment, to on the videos. I appreciate every single comment. And you see, when you get on the channel and you see that little bell, please click that bell. That bell is the notification bell, and what that bell does is it reminds you every time that I post a video. It reminds you that that video is on, and then you can go and watch it. And I'm also reminding folks to, get into the description box. We have ways in which you can support us. To be honest with you, traveling and purchasing stuff and, going to the different places, it's sometimes costly, and many of the costs that we incur on our own. Not saying that you guys are supposed to, do anything other than what you can do, but we appreciate every single gesture. So I really want to get my channel up and running. Many of the different YouTube techniques and stuff like that, I'm not too certain or familiar with them, but at the same time I'm still trying my best. And I guess that's all I can do. I've taught myself how to edit using YouTube editor, but of course the YouTube editor is not the professional one. Everything costs money. I've gone ahead and gotten the camera. I still don't have a camera stand, a tripod and stuff like that, but we're slowly and gradually making headways. Now the reason why I'm doing this video and the reason why I'm telling you all this is because I want you guys to be a part of the progression. I want you guys to be a part of the growth and the development. I'm moving into full-time into doing many full vlogs now, and the vlogs are so much fun. I enjoy it, traveling, going to the beach, wherever, with my wife and with the family, and I want you guys to be a part of that. And I really would want, what I really want is somebody with expertise, YouTube expertise, camera expertise, to help me. But in lieu of that, we're gonna do what we have to do. Then I'm also interested in merchandising, so that it's a case where people not have to per se, give them money, but them can support us by buying, some type of merchandise from us. Little by little. I'm also interested in going live on YouTube, and so I have to schedule that and find out what's the best time, that I could go live and do like a 10 or a 15-minute segment. Maybe I could cook some food live. All these things can go on, and that's something that I really want to get into. So again, guys, I just really want you guys to be aware that I am doing the best I can. We have had so far really good reviews. The channel is progressing nicely. I've gotten over 1 million views. Over 1 million and 1,100,000 views and counting. For all my videos. My subscribership is growing. I have over 8,000 subscribers, and it's just nice to know that people appreciate what you're doing, and people like the fact that you're doing good food, even though it's, again, not the same, like it's not regular Jamaican food, but it's Jamaican food. It's not the same, everyday food, but it's good food. So as I said, guys, I really appreciate it. I'm in my son's room, and a film curtain in here. Yeah, there's a film curtain. I'm sure I not really like when him come home and see me in my room, him vex. But I may pay the rent. So him can't put me out, I may pay the rent. So yeah, but I saw the thing set. Yardie Belly TV. And then another thing, one more thing, guys, one more thing. As I progress, I might think of changing the name. Now, if you have a name that you think could work, please put it in the comment box. Alright, put it in the comment box. And the name must it must be synonymous with who I am. Now, I like to give jokes. I do stand-up comedy. I am a youth pastor, and I love food. These three things, none of these three things come together, but it come together in a me. So if you're giving me a name for my channel, the name has to be synonymous with all that it involves. And so the blogging, the recipes, the preaching, and all the different stuff must come together to say who I am and to give a good description of what I do. All right, and yeah, just pray some win the lotto. I don't know how that come in, but the point I'm making is, if I had the finances, guys, I would go all out, because I love when people comment. I love the fact that people are comfortable and happy with the progress that is being made on my channel, and I'm doing my best, guys. I'm doing my best with almost nothing. I am doing my best, and I appreciate every single person who watch. Please share it, subscribe, comment, whatever you have to do it, so that we can get the thing up and running, and we can start shoot even more. So I really have to big up my wife in another video, because my wife went all out and got me a camera. She and the little boy, and I know she not done pay for the camera, but she still went out and get it. Why? Because she believe in what I do, and that's a good person. I feel it to my heart. But the point is, at least I have something that I can say, all right, this is what I go use to do the thing. You see me? So once again, check the little bell. The little bell. Click on the bell. When you go up on Yardie Belly TV, click on the little bell. So you get notification. Then go to my GoFundMe account. It's in the description box, and just click on it. And even if at $2, but I love it, because again, all of the money when me get or receive or whatever, me da dump it back into the camera equipment. Me need a stabilizer. Me need one prime lens. Well, me not really need a prime lens more, so, but me need a Rhodes mic to go up on top of the camera. What else me need? Something else. 1 second battery pack for when I go up on the road, because sometimes the battery dead for me. What else? Oh, me need a there is this camera kit for your cell phone, because sometimes, like in a restaurant also, you can't really shoot with the camera. So if I had the camera kit for low lighting and different stuff, it come with a mic, it come with different things that you can attach to your cell phone, and that is also something that I saw that I would love. Again, me work and me try my best to buy them little and stuff, but every maker make a muckle. Or for those persons who are not Jamaican, every little dollar counts. Alright? Jamaicans say every mickle makes a muckle. Yeah. And for my Jamaican friends who love the thing and know, say on the day which on the day yard and thing, just go and support me. Just go and share. Just go and subscribe. Just tell a friend them about Yardie Belly. If you have friends in the newspaper, tell them. Tell Glean and TVJ and CVM. Say that you they are foreign, but him not left in my yard and him a work hard. You understand? When me soon come to Jamaica, come do my Jamaica vlogs. Me do one full whole time at Jamaica, because I miss me yard. Yeah, bear with me. But yeah, I just start off doing this video, and so I hope that you guys love what is going on so far. And I really am happy with the comments that I've been getting, and it encourages me to continue doing more. You understand? So stick and stay. Yardie Belly TV ain't going nowhere. Let me zoom in on the curtain.